Sai Ram, dear parents, and a very warm welcome to our virtual Group 2 Open Day. Sai, Sai Ram, okay.
Sayang Guru.
Sai Ram, okay. When the child joins a class, there are a few guidelines that they have to follow. Firstly, is their attire. The boys and have to wear white top and white pants, and the girls in white Punjabi suit with white shawl. Secondly, they join in and they say Sai Ram, and then they have to mute the mic unless the guru request them to do so. Thirdly, the camera is to be on for us to see your beautiful and handsome faces. And then you have to turn off the camera. When the guru asks you to turn on, then you do so. If you have any questions to ask, please type in the chat box. The chat box is only to put in the questions, not for chatting with your friends. Okay. Now let me introduce to the gurus of the class. Guru Ambige, she is the group coordinator. Guru Ambiga, that is me. Guru Kamala, Guru Hamsa, Guru Trilochanan, Guru Levin, Guru Soundari, and Guru Kashmira. The originator of this Balvikas is our beloved Satya Sai Baba. And this program is designed to help children learn and practice the basic value that is essential to life. As you know, earlier Brother Rama said, end of education is character. So if your character is lost, you will be a zero, not a hero. So always see to your character. There are 5 human values: love, truth, peace, right conduct, and non-violence. Love is the fountainhead. It is an energy that flows like the sun from one to another. All these 5 values are incorporated in the silent sitting, storytelling, group activity, and group singing. Next slide. Okay, we have 4 teams in a month. First Sunday of the month is Swami's Day. The second week will be Value Day. The third week, Interfaith. And the fourth week, if there is a 4 Sundays in a month, then we will incorporate the Go Green. Okay. During Swami's Day, we will teach the children on Swami stories and his Namavalis. And for Value Day, we will teach the children the 2 epics, Indian epics, that is the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. And interfaith, we will touch on all the other religions like Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, Jainism, and many more. I'll give you an example like Buddhism. We will tell the children about the life story of Buddha, what the festival for the Buddhists used to celebrate, and the facts on Buddhism. And for in Go Green, we will do the global warming, Mother Earth, recycling, energy saving, water saving. This water saving and energy saving, I think we have to emphasize to the children. I know they like to waste electricity and water. So we will emphasize this during the period. We have 5 teaching techniques. We start off with silent sitting. Why we start off with silent sitting is because when the child comes into the class, he'll be very restless, agitated, and he cannot sit in a place. So it is important experience for the child. It provides him with the opportunity to close his eyes, quieten his body, learn to listen to his thoughts. It also prepares him to concentrate on the lessons. Silent sitting, the benefit is you keep on doing it, it will enhance your memory power. And for Swami's day, we will do the Jodi meditation, whereas for the other 3 teams, we will do visualization depending on the topics. This example like bucket of goodness, kindness, then heartfelt, happy heart, and many more. Then we go to prayers or mantras. We will teach Namavali on Swami's day. Mantras will be taught during the value day and also during interfaith day. These mantras, depending on the group. For example, we give like Siva mantra or Rama mantra. When we are teaching Ramayana, we will do the Rama mantra. When we are doing the Mahabharata, we will do Krishna mantra and Vishnu mantra. And when the child repeats this in the class, he has to go back home and practice it. Not only listen, doing it during the class time, he has to go back and practice. And when he does his prayers in the house, he has to keep on chanting this mantra. Then it is very beneficial for him. The next will be storytelling. So for storytelling, as you know, Swami's day will be on Swami's stories, what he has done, the good deeds for the society, and also the values based on his stories. Then on Ramayana, for interfaith, we will touch on the stories of depending on the topic. Say, for example, we are doing Hinduism. So we will tell a Puranic story of Ganesha and Ravana, the Puranic story, and the child will know what is the value from it. And this storytelling is very good for them. They are very excited during this storytelling. It will help them to reinforce the message that they have learned and also to cooperate among the friends. They pay more attention to it. Then we come to group activity. Group activity, I've experienced this every week. The children ask, teacher, Guru, got games. Guru, got so many. They are very excited for group activity. They want to, because they are sitting for 3 uh, teams and the techniques. So they want to do some movement. They prefer to have games. Then we have quiz. We have puzzles. Then we will also give them worksheet based on the topic of the day. And then we go to group singing. Group singing is also based on the value song and with action. This is also, they will be very excited. Got a song. They can do some action according to the song. So what is the benefit they get from these two activities? That they get a close bonding with their friends. They are very happy and joyful when they sing the song. They feel so happy, and it improves their memory, and they instill love and appreciation, and also feeling joyful. So these are the 5 teaching techniques we have. This will be carried out every week during the class. Next will be, next slide. Okay, the mission of the month. What are the children's mission? Attendance. Okay, they will be rewarded for what all the 5 things that we are going to tell. Okay, firstly is attendance. They get 50 points per class, and we have 32 classes in a year, so a total of 1,600 points they will get if they attend all the classes regularly without fail. Dear parents, please commit yourself. Send your, now it's all virtual, so please make sure that they attend all these classes to get the points. The second thing is activities, and that will be class activities. They will get 200 points. This class activity is only given once a month. So they have to complete the activity, and they will have to put it in the Google Classroom. If they don't do, very sorry, they won't get their points. And then the third one is worksheet. Worksheet is also once a month. It will given to the class, and they have to do it for 1 month. You know, from say, for example, we give in January. They have, for example, January is Swami's Day. There's a worksheet. Next following month, February, Swami's Days, we will see. So they got a long period to complete. So we will give a time bar also. So they get 200 points a month. So there will be so many worksheets, they can get a lot of points. And the other one is additional participation in the event. That is 100 points per event. We have a lot of events, that is, sorry, excuse me. During the year, some will be for center level, and the others will be state level. Education, the education wing will conduct the events. So if they attend, they get 100 points on it. So please, parents, make sure that the child, your child, participate in everything that is given to them, and it is sent to the WhatsApp to notify you all what are the events for the month, or for the maybe during the year. We have quite a number of. Can I know what the other one is? The next slide, please. So no, before that, what are the events? Oh no, I don't have. So sorry. Okay, so that's our one, and then we have the year-end assessment. That is 100 points per assessment. What is this assessment means? It's not a test. We are giving whatever they have learned from the 4 teams. We will give them year-end a short revision, whether they can remember it or not. Normally the children, I know they, Sunday class, okay, they'll have it. After that, they will say bye-bye. The following week, they'll bring the bag. So they won't even revise what is learned for that week. So now we are trying to give an assessment. So they will take the initiative to learn what they have learned in the previous class. And then we have the sneak peek into 21. We have the virtual camp. This year we are having virtual camp, but earlier on, the last 3 years back, we had 2 camps on Mahabharata and Ramayana, and the children went to the Divine Life Society in Batu Caves. We stayed there for 2 days and 1 night, and they learned a lot from there. All the what we did can't get it during our class. It is for the 2 hours, 2 days, and they are really given all the details on Ramayana and with the activities and all that. I really enjoyed the camp. It's really fun, even though my age is catching up, but I really like to take part in this camp. So please, when there is camp, at the moment we won't have a camping, but we'll have virtual camp. Please make sure that your child participate in it. Then we have Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is during July, August. We will have programs, and here also, please, parents and the child participate in the Guru Purnima program. Then we have um, Educate Carnival. Educate Carnival, as I told you, it is normally held in by our education wing state level. So the children will take part. But for last year, we couldn't because of COVID. And this year also, maybe we will go on virtual or not. That is not, we have not planned yet. Then we will give a special love delivery to the child. Yeah, normally it's year end. The child will be expecting something from the child, and not forgetting our dear Swami's birthday. We will have some. We have some type of program for the children and for parents. So please participate in all this. And as you know, the BBPT has earlier brother Naveen has told, so I won't emphasize on that. So all this Nick and Pig, please, you dear parents and the child, take part in it. And before I end, I will give you all the class timing. It is Sunday at 2:45 to 4:15. But the child has to log in 10 minutes before the class starts. And then the BBPT also on Saturday per month, 4:15 to 5:30. And how to join the class is to log in through Zoom. You have to wear white for the BBPT classes and Balvikas. They cannot come in colored. So as I told earlier, their attire is white. So please do follow the instruction. And I'm going to show you a short video on what the children and parents have to say about our Balvikas.
Hi! Sairam everyone. My name is Ishan Sai Ramesh. I love Balvikas because it allows me to learn and practice human values and at the same time trains me to become a better person. Besides that, I cannot wait to meet all the gurus and my dear friends. Thank you. Sairam. See you all soon.
Hi Ram, my name is Vasikaran Suresh. I like to go to Bible class because I can learn important messages from Swami. Bible class taught me values and also I learned new budget and mantras at class.
I'm Lakshana from Group 2. Balvikas is an exciting class that I enjoy very much. For so much is learned here, from mantras to bhajans and Mahabharata stories. Everything is taught and put in a fun manner, which was put together so much love. Thank you and Sai Ram.
Sarah, I'm Sasmita Sri Aparasan. I'm 11 years old from Group 2. I'm excited to join e-Bali class. I learn manga stories and many more. My gurus are so dedicated, they taught me with fun. I love to play online games prepared by my gurus. I always wait for my next e-Bali class because I enjoyed every moment of learning. Thank you and Sarah.
Sairam
Hi, I'm
parents.
Kamla. My son's name is Jeevesh. I was introduced by Sister Gayatri. Jeevesh was, before joining Balvikas, he was a very quiet person. Since he joined Balvikas, I can see so much difference changes on him, like his moral values, he can respect people, he know to manage his time in education. So many things is learning from Balvikas, like bhajans, songs, like any prayers going on in my house. He's the only one who be singing bhajan songs, everything.
Sairam brothers and sisters, my name is Dhanam and mother to three amazing children, Kashni Pratyangira, Saika Vishnaidu and Vedashri. I was introduced to Balvikas by my youngest daughter, kindergarten teacher. Balvikas not only teach my children about Hinduism, it also guide them with spiritual and intellectual development. Balvikas has taken up immense responsibility to guide our children into a good human being.
Sairam parents, I just forgot to tell you about the reward. Even if they get very few points, they will still get a reward. The bigger their points, the bigger is their reward. The smaller their points, the smaller they will get. And any questions you would like to ask, you can unmute and ask. No questions? Is it all clear? So what I've told you all? Okay. If there's no questions, I will like to invite you all for the welcoming class next week. Please join with your child and see what we are doing during the